The role of insider trading in stock market efficiency. Here are the lessons to be learned from this blog. Lesson 1. Insider trading gives PSE insiders an unfair edge, rigging the market against regular Filipinos. Lesson 2. Insider deals distort stock prices, misleading investors with false signals on the PSE. Lesson 3. Trust fades when insider trading taints the PSE, draining participation and efficiency. Lesson 4. Weak enforcement lets insider trading thrive, leaving the PSE exposed to abuse. Lesson 5. Insider trading spikes volatility and undermines ethics, rattling the PSE's foundation. The hidden edge insider trading's unfair advantage. Insider trading strikes at the heart of fairness in the Philippine stock market. It's when insiders like executives or board members use secret, game-changing info to trade stocks, leaving regular Filipino investors blindsided. Imagine a San Miguel Corp. Insider buying shares before a surprise profit jump. By the time the public knows, they've already won. This unequal access tilts the playing field, shattering the PSE's promise of a fair shot for all. It's not just unethical, it's a crime that distorts market efficiency. Prices stop reflecting reality, and trust crumbles as everyday traders, teachers, jeepney drivers, OFWs feel cheated. This chapter unveils the shadowy advantage insiders wield, setting the stage for a deeper dive into its chaos. Welcome to the PSE's unseen battleground, where secrets can make or break fortunes. Twisted prices. How insiders skew the market. When insiders trade on confidential tips, they don't just profit, they warp the PSE's price signals. Picture an insider selling PLDT stock ahead of a hidden loss report. The price stays high, luring unsuspecting buyers into a trap. These artificial moves misrepresent a stock's true worth, turning the market into a maze of false clues. For Filipino investors, from Makati traders to provincial savers, this means betting on distorted data, often with painful losses. Insider-driven price shifts also spark wild swings, as outsiders scramble to catch up, amplifying chaos. Efficiency demands prices mirror all available info, but insider trading hijacks that process. This chapter exposes how these secret deals twist the PSE's reality, leaving regular players guessing while insiders cash out. It's a thrilling peek into a market thrown off balance by greed. Trust on the brink. Insider trading's confidence crisis. Trust fuels the PSE, but insider trading tears it apart. When Filipinos hear whispers of shady deals, like an Ayala land exec dumping shares before bad news, faith in the market falters. Why risk hard-earned pesos if insiders rig the game? This skepticism drives investors away, shrinking trading volume and liquidity, key pillars of an efficient market. A real case in 2019 shook the PSE when an insider scandal slashed confidence, leaving retail traders wary. As participation drops, price discovery weakens, and volatility creeps in. For a nation of aspiring investors, this betrayal stings deep. This chapter dives into the emotional fallout of insider trading, showing how it poisons trust and stalls the market's heartbeat. It's a stark warning. Without confidence, the PSE risks fading into a ghost town. The enforcement struggle. Insider trading's legal maze. Curbing insider trading in the Philippines is a Herculean task. The Securities and Exchange Commission SEC battles with outdated laws and spotty enforcement, letting culprits slip through. Proving a tip-off like a Jollibee insider buying before a blockbuster deal is tricky. Trades hide behind proxies or vague trails. Penalties exist under the Securities Regulation Code, but convictions are scarce. Think of a 2020 case where fines landed, yet justice felt incomplete. Weak whistleblower protections and limited SEC firepower compound the problem. For Filipino investors, this means the PSE isn't fully guarded. vigilance is your shield. This chapter unpacks the regulatory fight, revealing why insider trading persists and how tighter rules could restore order. It's a tense look at the cat and mouse chase shaping the market's fate. Will justice ever catch up? Chaos and conscience insider trading's lasting echoes. Insider trading doesn't just cheat, it unleashes chaos on the PSE. A sudden dump of pure gold, shares on secret bad news, can spark panic selling, rocking the market's stability. This volatility muddies efficient pricing, leaving Filipino traders reeling from unpredictable waves. Ethically, it's a disgrace insiders betraying shareholders for selfish gain. A betrayal that cuts deeper in the Philippines' tight-knit corporate circles. Legally, violators risk jail or fines, but LAX enforcement emboldens the bold. The ripple effects hit hard, eroded governance, shaken trust, and a market struggling to find its footing. This chapter ties the knots, showing how insider trading fuels disorder and tests the PSE's moral core. For every Pinoy investor, it's a call to stay sharp in a market where secrets can shift the ground beneath you.